You just sign a client. Normally, that means 2 hours of copy-pasting emails, chasing signatures, and setting up folders. I built a system that does all of it while you sleep. Client pays, and by the time you check your phone, they're onboarded. 5 pieces. The fourth one, an AI that turns a messy intake form into a team brief, is the part 1 run on every single client. And there's a hidden step at the end that stops the whole thing from breaking. Start with the trigger. When a client pays their deposit in Stripe, that payment is your ignition. In Zapier, create a new Zap, pick Stripe as the trigger, and select New Payment. That single event now fires everything downstream. No more did they pay yet? The machine knows. Next action, auto-send the intake form. Build it in Tally. Use their AI form generator, type client onboarding intake for a design agency, and it drafts the questions for you. Connect Tally to your Zap, so the second money hits, the form lands in their inbox. A 3-hour manual kickoff prep just became 0 clicks. Now, the AI drafting step. This is where it stops feeling like a form and starts feeling personal. Push the Tally responses into ChatGPT via the API inside Make. Your prompt. Write a warm welcome email using this client's name, their goal, and their timeline. Keep it under 120 words, on brand, friendly. It pulls the variables straight from their answers. Every client gets a custom email that reads like you wrote it at midnight, generated in 4 seconds. One rule, keep a human review step. Route that draft to your Gmail as a draft, not a send. You skim it, hit send. AI hallucinates client details. You catch it before your client does. Then contracts. In PandaDoc, save your agreement as a template with variables. Client name, scope, price. Use their AI content assist to fill scope language from the intake notes. Trigger it from Make, and the signature request goes out automatically. Sign contract, no back and forth. Here's the fourth one. The reason this system actually saves your team, not just you. Take the full intake questionnaire, feed it to Claude with one instruction. Summarize this into a project brief. Give me the client's goal, 3 action items, and any red flags. A 40-question form becomes a 5-bullet brief your team reads in 30 seconds. What used to be a full meeting is now a Slack message. In provisioning, this is what nobody automates. Same workflow adds the client to your project tool. ClickUp or Asana spins up their folder in the share drive and creates their Slack channel, all triggered off that one payment. They go from signed to fully set up without you touching a keyboard. Last, scheduling. Drop a cal.com booking link into the welcome email. They pick the kickoff time themselves and put Fathom on that call. It transcribes and summarizes automatically, so your notes are done before you close the tab. Here's the hidden step I promised. Add a follow-up branch. If the form isn't completed in 48 hours, Zapier sends a reminder. If the contract isn't signed, another nudge fires. This is what stops the whole system from silently breaking when a client goes quiet. And it's the difference between automation that works and automation that embarrasses you. Before you build it, map your manual process first. Write out every step you do by hand right now. Then test the whole Zap with dummy data, fake name, fake email, before a real client ever touches it. Do not go live untested. One warning, don't automate the human touchpoints that matter. The strategy call, the how's it going check-in, keep those real. Automate the paperwork, not the relationship. Your next step? Open Zapier right now and build just the first trigger. Stripe Payment fires an email to yourself. Get that one working today. That's the foundation everything else bolts onto. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you the AI agent that handles client offboarding and turns finished projects into automatic referrals and reviews. You don't want to miss that one.